termed as the biggest defense deal in the history of India. A deal worth $12 billion for 126 multi-role fighter jets. Two European contenders have been shortlisted by the Defence Ministry for the significant purchase, which will renovate the face of the Indian Air Force.
One of India's largest ever defence deals in the history. A $12 billion deal for 126 multi-role combat jets. A deal that will restore Indian Air Force's dwindling fleet and replace the aging MiG-21s. In the race for the historical deal, after 2 years of cut and thrust, are these two European competitors. France's Dassault Rafale and EADS Eurofighter Typhoon. Both calling their jets the best, lobbying hard for the significant deal and confident of even getting one.
We are delighted that so far the process was fair and transparent, and we have no reason to doubt that that will be the case in the future. And with that sort of confidence, we look into the near future, and beyond that, we are all in God's hands.
We are always presenting to India our best projects, our best equipment, which are operational, and we are fully confident that the instruction of this project is done in a spirit of transparency so that the level playing field is even for everybody.
The two European contenders have defeated two American companies despite US President's high praises and two others. Today, the Defence Acquisition Council, headed by Defence Minister A.K. Antony, will finally sit down to clear the last hurdle before the bids are opened.
If you look at the MMRCA offsets which are going to come now, when we sign the MMRCA contract, we're looking at 20,000 crores upwards, and they'll be looked after for the next 13 years. And so much of at least 15 Indian offset partners will directly benefit from this, from the offset arrangement that are there in this contract.
After much delay and anxiety in the MMRCA deal, if all goes well tomorrow and companies make past the final hurdle, India will be one step closer to history in the making. Bureau Report, Times Now.